Tubi is an American over-the-top content platform and ad-supported streaming service owned by Fox Corporation, offering online streaming from a library of films and television series for free. The service was launched on April 1, 2014 and is based in San Francisco, California. Hello everyone, I hope you all are having an amazing time. Today I'm back with another tutorial video, and in this video I'll be guiding you guys through the steps of logging into your Tubi account. So let's get started. First of all, open the app Tubi. After that, tap on My Stuff section at the bottom right, and then tap on Sign In option right here. Now you'll be asked to enter your email and password. Enter the email associated with your account, and after that enter the password. Finally, tap on Sign In, and that's it. You'll be logged into your Tubi account. So we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. If it was, then please make sure to like, leave a comment, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel, Health Tech. We'll be back with more such videos. Until then, have a great time. Bye-bye.